Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix 32-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let me start with the visuals because that's where this thing shines brightest, literally and figuratively. The star of the show is that exclusive true black glossy WOLED panel. It's a 32-inch 4K display at 3840 by 2160 resolution, and the glossy coating makes a massive difference compared to the matte finishes I've used before. There's almost zero haze, which means images look incredibly sharp and punchy. Colors pop with that 99% DCI, P3 coverage, and the true 10-bit color depth combined with a delta E less than 2 gives you accuracy that's perfect not just for gaming but for creative work too. Blacks are inky deep. We're talking infinite contrast here. So when a scene goes dark in a horror game or a movie, it feels like you're staring into actual nothingness. No grayish glow, no washed out shadows. It just disappears. And thanks to VISA Display HDR 400 True Black compliance, the highlights in HDR content really stand out with that extra sparkle without crushing the details in between. What I love most is how this glossy surface handles light. In a moderately lit room, it maintains those perfect blacks far better than some other glossy OLEDs I've seen, giving everything a vibrant, magazine-like quality. Text looks crisp, details in games like Cyberpunk or Alan Wake 2 are razor sharp, and when HDR kicks in, the whole image just comes alive. I spent hours editing photos on it, and the color reproduction felt reliable and pleasing right out of the box. If you're into content creation alongside gaming, this monitor pulls double duty without making you feel like you're compromising. Now, the performance side. This is where the dual mode feature becomes a game changer. You get native 4K at up to 165 Hz, which is smooth enough for most immersive titles, especially with that near-instant 0.03 millisecond response time that OLED is famous for. No smearing, no ghosting, just buttery motion clarity. But when I want to crank things up for competitive play, I switch to full HD mode at 330 Hz using the frame rate boost. One hotkey press and suddenly fast-paced shooters feel insanely responsive. The difference in fluidity for games like Valorant or CS2 is noticeable. Crosshair tracking feels more precise, and those quick flicks just snap into place. Combined with GSYNC compatibility and low input lag, it keeps everything tear-free and responsive no matter which mode you're in. I went back and forth between modes depending on the game, and the transition is seamless. It's like having two monitors in one without the hassle of actually swapping hardware. One of the biggest worries with OLED has always been burn-in, and ASUS has put real effort into tackling that here with their OLED Care Pro suite. The standout feature for me is the Neo proximity sensor. This little guy uses precise detection to sense when you step away from your desk. After a short time, the screen smoothly fades to pure black to protect the panel, then instantly wakes back up when you return. It's not just a gimmick, it actually works reliably and gives you real peace of mind during those quick breaks or when you're grabbing a snack. You can customize the distance and timing through the handy Display Widget Center, which lets you tweak all the OLED Care settings plus monitor options right from your mouse. Super convenient. No fiddling with joystick buttons on the back. There are other protections like pixel refreshers and logo dimming too, and ASUS backs it all with a solid 3-year warranty that includes burn-in coverage. After weeks of daily use with static elements like taskbars and HUDs, I haven't noticed any issues, which is exactly what you want to hear. Connectivity is generous and future-proof enough for most setups. You've got HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC, and a USB-C port that delivers 15 watts of power delivery, handy for charging a laptop or peripherals while keeping your desk clean. There's also a built-in USB hub for easy connections. The included accessories are nice. DisplayPort cable, USB cable, power stuff, a microfiber cloth, ROG pouch, sticker, VISA mount kit, quick-release stand, and even a 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription as a bonus, which is a thoughtful touch if you're into editing. The build quality screams premium ROG. The design is sleek with that signature gaming aesthetic, but not overly flashy, slim bezels, a compact stand that doesn't eat up too much desk space, and overall solid construction. It feels sturdy and looks great in any setup. The stand allows for easy adjustments, and VISA mounting is straightforward if you prefer an arm.